Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for honest reviews and insightful analysis of the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're diving into the world of crochet with what can only be described as the creme de la creme of crochet hook sets. Get ready, because we're about to explore the Yarniss 14-size crochet hook set. If you're a crochet enthusiast, you know the importance of having the right tools at your fingertips. And let me tell you, the Yarniss 14-size crochet hook set is the best Athena of all crochet hook sets out there. Why, you ask? Well, let's unravel this bundle of joy, shall we? First off, value. This set isn't just about hooks, it's a treasure trove of crochet essentials. With 14 ergonomic crochet hooks, 9 yarn needles, 10 stitch markers, 1 pair of scissors, and a convenient case, you're getting bang for your buck like never before. Now, let's talk about comfort. Crocheting should be enjoyable, not painful, right? Well, these hooks come with comfortable, easy grip handles designed to reduce hand fatigue and make those marathon crochet sessions a breeze. Say goodbye to hand cramps and hello to uninterrupted creativity. But wait, there's more. These crochet hooks aren't just ergonomic, they're also extra long. That's right. With lengths ranging from 4.5 centimeters for size B to 5.2 centimeters for size N, you'll have plenty of space to work those intricate patterns with ease. And let's talk about smoothness. These hooks glide effortlessly through your yarn, ensuring a clean finish every time. No more snagging or frustrating yarn splits, just smooth, uninterrupted crocheting bliss. So there you have it, folks. The Yarniss 14-size crochet hook set, the best Athena of crochet hook sets on the market today. If you're ready to take your crochet game to the next level, click the link below to get your hands on this incredible set. And don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews and recommendations. Until next time, happy crocheting! This video is sponsored by Yarniss, your trusted companion on your crochet journey. Get your set today and discover the joy of crocheting like never before.